Don't worry, I can't see you. Hello? Yeah? Hello? Wait, Sheldon? Okay. Okay, Michael?
Tell me so you know it's rude.
This is rude. No, it's good. I have something to tell you. I have this sicko crush on you. I dream about you every night. I have a sicko crush on you. No, I have to say it because I think I'm going to explode. Rachel's really sick. Hello, I'm trying to express my feelings here. Forget about Rachel for a second. Anyway. Rachel, they're so stupid. April Fool's Day, Michael. You're such an idiot. You're supposed to go, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You hear him?
I don't think the camera got
Oh, whatever. I don't like you. You're a crazy, demented person, and I don't dream about you every night. I dream that I'm going to kill you. Here's Rachel.
I want to kill you also, damn.
Hello?